Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Yama, and today we're going to learn about something really exciting. We're going to learn about bones. Wow! Oh my goodness, oh, that scared me. This is my skeleton, and he's called Barry Bones. So, a skeleton is composed of lots and lots of bones. And this is what I would look like. If I didn't have skin and muscle and tissue, I would look like a skeleton. Whoa! And did you know that insects, they have their bones on the outside? That's called an exoskeleton. Our bones are on our inside, and that's called an endoskeleton. Very cool. One of the main reasons why bones are so important is because they give us lots of support and strength and stability. Could you imagine if we didn't have bones? How would we stand? We would be like a big pile of jello. Oh my goodness. I'm super glad that I have bones to keep me nice and straight, nice and strong, and nice and stable. The other reason why bones are very important is because they allow movement. So when two bones come together, like in your elbow, they can move like that. Wow, this is called a joint. And we have lots and lots of different joints in our body, like in our elbow, in our wrist, in our fingers. All these bones and joints allow us to move. Could you imagine if we didn't have joints or bones that form joints? How would we eat? Oh my goodness, how would we wipe our bum? That would be really hard. I'm really glad that we have bones and joints so that we can move around and dance. And another reason why bones are very important is because they protect a lot of important structures on our inside, like our heart, our lungs, our kidneys. All these different organs are protected by our skeleton and our bones. For example, our heart is inside here, and look, the ribs come around and they protect it. Very cool. So, another important fact about bones is that they produce blood. And blood is really important because it transports nutrients like oxygen and all different things all throughout our body. So without bones, we wouldn't have blood. Oh goodness. I'm really glad that we have lots and lots of bones in our body to help produce all the blood. And another thing about bones is that they have things like calcium and phosphorus and vitamin D, all these things that are very healthy for the body. And that's why it's really important that you eat lots and lots of food that's high in calcium, like milk and spinach. Yup, gotta eat your spinach. So, I learned so much about bones today. We're going to do something really fun right now. We're going to do a pop quiz. Pop quiz! I love pop quizzes. Okay, are you ready? Question 1. What is it called when you put all the different bones together to form this guy? Hi, I'm Barry. What is Barry called? Barry is a skeleton. Yes, and this is what I would look like if I didn't have skin or tissues. Oh my! And do you remember what it's called when two bones come together and allow for movement? What is this part called? This is called a joint. You're right. So your elbow is a joint, your wrist is a joint, your knees are joints, and that allows us to move and dance. Okay, question number 3. Do you remember, what do bones make? What do bones produce that help transport all the nutrients and oxygen throughout our body? It's the color red. You're right. Bones produce blood. And if you want to make your bones nice and strong and healthy, what should you eat? Yes, eat some spinach and other foods that are really high in calcium because your bones are made out of calcium and they contain things like vitamin D and phosphorus and calcium. Yeah, calcium is very important. And for a bonus question, do you remember what it's called if your bones are on the outside, like an insect? What is that called? That's called an exoskeleton. Great job, everyone. Well, I learned a lot about berry and bones. So we'll see you next time. Bye. See you later.